Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Ho-Fei Nguyen. I'm a social health psychologist here. I'm an associate professor in psychology at A&M San Antonio. I just want to quickly kind of tell you about my lab, what we do, and your potential involvement. So I'm going to quickly share my screen with you. Um, I have just a simple web page here. If you just do a quick Google, or you can type in the address here. It's just my full name .weebly.com. Anyways, if you go to the research page, I run the Social Health Achievement Research Exchange, or SHARE for short. So I run the SHARE lab. Um, you can go here and kind of see the list of some of our old RAs. So right now I'm working with Echo and Caitlin. They're actually both interested in pursuing medical school. So we're working on projects that involve physician humility and patient health outcomes. One graduated, but she was a nurse. She's interested in pursuing a PhD. So right now she's looking into applying to some programs. Lizette is a former RA. She's now pursuing a PhD in social health psychology at UConn. Marlene's applying to graduate school right now in counseling psychology. Luis and I actually, we worked together for one semester and it actually didn't work out. So he left the lab and he's working with other professors in the program. Maya graduated. She's considering graduate school. Evelyn right now is working as a behavioral therapist, working with students with autism. Kat started a grad school program at OLU, but she didn't like it, so she's thinking about pursuing a different grad program. Yolanda is at OLU doing a master's in social work. Ryan and I actually haven't kept in touch very much. Alicia is working at a case manager, actually that's in Flux, and she's applying to graduate school. Amy is currently in a master's program at Sam Houston, but she is she just got into a PhD program for clinical psych, which is extremely competitive at University of Houston. And then Angelica, last I talked to her, she was working at the YMCA. Okay. Anyways, and these are some of my other students from my former school. So these students that I think kind of help highlight the types of students that I'm kind of interested in working with, or students that tend to work pretty well with me. Students have to be really motivated. Usually they're interested in doing something else after their bachelor's. That's not always the case, but usually students are interested in doing graduate school or some type of post bachelor type of education. Right? Anyways, they're highly motivated, they're independent, they enjoy research. So if that kind of describes you, or if you're interested in seeing what research is firsthand, feel free to reach out to me. A good way to know whether or not it's something you're interested in, you can just peek through my publications here. I'm not saying you have to read it, maybe just pull up the abstract and maybe the methods, just kind of see what that looks like. You can also go to my Google Scholar page, which I think you should do generally if you're looking for, looking at other professors thinking about their research. You can always go there, see if they have a page that usually would describe their most recent work. And so here you can see I'm doing stuff with humility and celebrity admiration, humility and vaccination attitudes and COVID-19, and coaches and sports and homo doctors and so on. So it kind of gives you a decent idea of what I'm working on currently. Of course, reach out to me. Email me at this address, hhuinh@tamusa.edu, and we'll work out something. Okay. Anyways, that's me. Reach out and let me know if you're interested, and we'll discuss further. Okay. All right. Bye.